Всем привет! Welcome back to another video with me, Connor Klein. This is our experience, and in today's Tip Thursday, I'm going to be going through the 10 hardest words to pronounce in the Russian language. You probably just saw some Russian written there. That's called the Green Theater here in Odessa in Ukraine, Zelený Theater. And let's see how I get on trying to pronounce those 10 hardest words. Now, I have been learning Russian, of course, for, a few years, and I spent a good bit of time here in Odessa and in other cities where Russian is spoken a lot, but it's always going to be some things that catch you out. So let's get into today's video and see how I get on with the Russian language and its hardest 10 words. Всем привет из Odessa.
Привет.
Greetings from Odessa in Ukraine, and right behind me there you should just be able to make out the statue of Alexander Pushkin, the guy who really founded the Russian language, created it, took it from being something that was spoken in the villages and actually formalized that. He's a huge influence on the language, and it's kind of really appropriate for this video. I'm here with Nastya. Nastya is from an amazing YouTube channel in Russian called Room Factory. You're going to link those guys below, and in this video we're going to be going through the 10 hardest words to pronounce in the Russian language. As you know, Russian is not my first language by a long way, so I'm interested to see how I get on because I do speak some Russian, but these hard words might catch me up a little bit. Apologies to everybody who speaks Russian as their first language before we start, because I'm about to butcher your language. So let's get into it. Начинаем.
Первое слово жаворонок.
Жаворонок.
Ну это легко очень.
Легко? Окей.
Жаворонок очень.
Бум.
Защищающийся.
Защищаю.
Защищаю.
Ю.
Защищаю.
Защищающийся. Защищающийся. I don't know, this is fucking hard.
Рентгено-электрокардиографический.
Что это на английском?
Electrocardiographic X-ray. Рентгено.
Рентгена.
Электро.
Электро.
Кардиографический.
Кардиографический. So, рентгена, электрика, кардиографический.
Да? Получилось. Частно-предпринимательский.
Частно.
Предпринимательский.
Предпринимательский.
Да. Достопримечательность.
Достопримечательность.
Да.
Достопримечательность.
It's like-
Это landmark. Yeah. What?
Пушкин
What?
is
Пушкин.
our достопримечательность. Боже, я сама это не могу прочитать. Субстанционализирующимися.
Субстанция, I don't know.
Окей, соответственно.
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 It's easy.
Okay.
Человеконенавистничество.
Человеку.
Ненавистничество.
Чувство. Ненавистничество.
Да! 9 слово. Переосвидетельствоваться. Переосвидетельствоваться.
Перио.
Запомни. Свидетель.
Свидетель.
Ствоваться.
22.
Сваватство.
Не понимаю. Okay. Перио.
Свидетель.
Свидетель. Переосвидетель.
Ствоваться.
22.
Да. Теперь вместе.
Okay.
Переосвидетельствоваться.
Переосвидетельствоваться. 22.
Да. Дальше, да?
Дальше, давай.
10, последнее слово.
Последний.
Высокопревосходительство.
Это слово или это шутка? Высоко.
Превосходительство. Превосходительство.
Превосходительство.
Высокопревосходительство.
Shit. No, it's too hard. Высокопревосходительство.
Да. Ну почти.
Почти,
это
почти.
было близко.
Это все 10?
Да, это 10 слов.
5. Спасибо большое.
Получилось.
Okay, so how do you think I got on there? That was a little bit of a fun video. As I said, go check out Nastya's channel down below if you're interested in learning Russian by actually watching some cool stuff. Then go check her out. She's a lot of fun, great videos. A lot of them actually you can understand even if you don't really speak Russian that well, because a lot of the humor is universal. I was watching some of them earlier, and actually you can actually watch me even if you don't speak Russian. So go check that out. If you've been learning Russian, Write me a comment below how you thought I got on. If you're a Russian speaker, of course, let me know. Give me a grade. Give me a grade 9 out of 10, 5 out of 10, 0, thumbs up, thumbs down. And I will see all of your smiling, enthusiastic faces in the next video from Odessa, Ukraine. До свидания.
Goodbye.
Pa-pa. So that's it for today's video. How do you think you would get on with those 10 hardest words in the Russian language? And how do you think my performance went? Drop me a comment below in the comment section. Definitely, if you have something you can contribute, always go and write it there, because we're creating this great community of people who are really passionate about traveling here in Eastern Europe, and in particular to Ukraine, to Odessa. So anything you can contribute is always appreciated. You can help everybody out there. If you are not subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Squeeze that red subscribe button and make sure that you whack the notification bell, because that's how you get notified when I upload new content here on YouTube. And if you don't, well, YouTube normally doesn't tell you that there's a new video. So even some of my friends are even asking me, hey, why don't I know that the videos are uploaded? And it's like, hit the bell. It's not like I don't say every damn god video here. So that's it from today's video from Odessa in Ukraine. До свидания in Russian, and I will see all of your smiling, enthusiastic faces for this part of the world in the next video. Пока!